What's up, guys? It's been a week since coming back from Hawaii for the first time, being there, and my family and I had a wonderful time. I ate so much good food. It was awesome, and I didn't want to come back at all. But one of my favorite things that I ate there was from the North Shore, was from Giovanni's shrimp truck. It was very garlicky, it was buttery, it was delicious. It's probably something I could make at home, but just being there and trying the iconic Giovanni's shrimp truck was amazing. I found this at Costco though. It's a garlic butter shrimp, and it's with white wine as well. I know I could probably make this at home, like I said, but who has time for that?
Ain't nobody got time for that.
So I picked this up at Costco. I'm gonna give it a try to see if it compares to the Giovanni's shrimp truck. So I'm gonna make this right now, and I'll be right back. All right, so here it is, guys. The Costco garlic butter shrimp. What do you guys think? Does it compare to the Giovanni shrimp truck? Like in this picture right here? First of all, the shrimp are really small. And you know it's frozen, so it's not gonna be fresh. You know that, obviously. And the ones at Giovanni's shrimp truck, you had to peel it. So, you know, that adds a lot of flavor actually if you leave the skin on it. But here it's already peeled, and they're so small. Look how small it is. These are small. These are tiny compared to ones I had in Oahu at Giovanni's shrimp truck. It does have the tail off as well. There's garlic, there's butter, there's white wine, there's oregano and parsley. I can't remember if there was oregano or parsley at the one at Giovanni's shrimp truck. I tried to make it exactly how they plated it at Giovanni's shrimp truck, with 2 scoops of rice and some lemons on the side. And I remember that at Giovanni's shrimp truck they had like garlic pieces on top, and then also the butter. But let's give this a try, see how it is. So it only took me about 7 to 8 minutes to saute it. It comes frozen from Costco, and you just basically put it in a pan and saute it for 7 to 8 minutes. So let's give this a try, and go with the shrimp first without lemon. But let's try it. Doesn't compare. It's good, but the flavor is not there. I could barely taste the garlic. At Giovanni's shrimp truck, you could really taste the garlic, which I love. I love garlic. You could barely taste the garlic on here. The shrimp, kind of chewy. You know, it's not fresh, so kind of hard to chew. I'll put some lemon in there. Let's give it a little bit more flavor. Alright. I do still have a half batch left, which I'll probably cook for my wife. When I do cook it again, I think I'm going to add some garlic to it, because you can't taste the garlic in it. But if I actually were going to make this again, I'd make it myself. I could probably make this myself. Alright, let's give this a try with some rice, now that there's lemon in there. Much better with rice in it. You could taste the white wine. I think that's the most significant ingredient that you could taste. But you can't taste the garlic at all. But if you want this meal, it's good for an easy fix, you know, like you're in a pinch. It's not bad. Actually, it tastes so much better with lemon in it. You gotta add lemon. I'm I'm definitely gonna put more garlic in it when I cook it for my wife. I already knew coming in this is not gonna compare to the Giovanni shrimp truck. People say, I think people say it's hyped up. It is kind of hyped up, you know, by tourists. But it's a place where you want to try when you're up there in the North Shore. At least once. And they're pretty quick. The lines are fast. I got lucky though. When I got there, I was probably like maybe the 5th person in line. There's a lot of shrimp places there now. Trucks and restaurants up in the North Shore. Looks like they farm a lot of shrimp up there. So that's what makes it taste good. Not only that, I love eating under the trees and stuff. It was a great atmosphere. I mean, being in Oahu already, it's a great atmosphere. Not bad. Not Giovanni shrimp dog though. But easy dinner right here for sure. Would I go back to Giovanni shrimp truck? Yeah, I would. It was probably my top 5, top 6, 7 things I ate in Oahu. Around the Giovanni shrimp truck, there was also like tacos. There was a crepe truck. There was a fruit shack. I think there was another shrimp truck actually. It wasn't open though. So if you've never been to Oahu or Hawaii, you have to go to the North Shore because you have to witness the waves. They're insane. I always hear that they're like 20 foot, even up to 50 feet, and I didn't believe them. When I got there, those waves were roaring. They weren't 50 feet, but they had to be at least 20 feet. And on the shore, the waves were at least 3, 4, 5 feet already, just on the shore. So if you're not a swimmer, even if you're a swimmer, don't even step your foot in the water. It's gonna drag you right in. I'll be posting my Hawaii vlog on my other channel, Life of the San Juans. So go check that out, guys. Subscribe to that channel, because that's where I'll be posting my food reviews and what I ate there, along with my whole vacation. So yeah, Find this at Costco, C-Pack Shrimp and Seafood Company. Give it a try. I don't know if I would get it again. It was just one of those things I saw right after our Hawaii vacation. And if you're in a pinch, it's a good thing to eat. It's easy to make. And maybe you could mix it with some pasta, some Alfredo pasta, white sauce. But that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hopefully, you'll watch me on my next eating video. Thanks, guys. Peace.